In this video, I will be showing you how to stretch an image in Canva. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva home screen where I'll select the Facebook post template to open up a new project. I click on the option to create a blank Facebook post so I have a clean workspace to demonstrate. Now that my canvas is open, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand sidebar. In the search bar, I'm going to type in healthy food to find some high-quality images. I'll click on the Photos tab to filter the results and then scroll through until I find the right one. Once I click an image, it appears on the canvas, but it's smaller than the frame. To stretch it, I click and drag the corner handles to scale the photo up. Then, I use the side handles to pull the edges outward, adjusting the placement until the image completely fills the entire background. To show you another example, I'll click Add Page at the bottom and select a different photo from the sidebar. Just like before, I'll grab the corners and the side points, dragging them across the workspace until the image is stretched perfectly to fit the dimensions of my project. And that's how you stretch an image in Canva.